Alright, so this is a porthole room. This is room 2100. When you first walk in, you'll notice is the divided bathroom. So in one side is the shower with its own sink, which is nice because whoever's taking a shower can do so while another occupant is using the bathroom. And this one also has its own private sink as well. So that makes it really convenient. I think all of the cabins that are not interior actually have this. Wow, this is nice. So they made it up. It looks good. But as you can see, that is right when you enter and it's up against the wall. And then the couch is also up against the wall, but it's a bit farther back in a divided room. And that's because they have the porthole. Wow. So these curtains pull back. You get a lovely view of the ocean. It's actually a great view. So then they've got all of course, the standard stuff. We've got the desk, the table. There's plenty of drawer space, you guys, so you can put all your stuff in the drawers. There is, as you see here, a hairdryer that comes with the room, so you don't need to bring one. And then, of course, a lot of extra drawer space below. There is a mini fridge in all of the rooms. This is more of a cooler. It does not come stocked with anything, so we like to use it for our iced coffees and any snacks that we get. We found these really, really nice, actually, welcome gifts. So this is the Castaway Club waterproof bag and Castaway Club Cruise Line beach bag. So it's a beach tote. Moving on with our tour, there's a standard TV. This does pop out. It swivels a little bit so that if you're staying back in the bed area, you can still see it at night. For you international travelers, they actually do a pretty good job. We have a bunch of normal American outlets. They have some USB chargers as well. So that's the cabin tour of a porthole room on the Disney Magic. Again, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you share it with your friends and family, especially if you found it informative. Let us know what you liked and didn't like down below. We've got a lot more coming your way, so we'll see you out there on the next one. All right, take care.